This is a 540 Cockshutt that we used to have for 7 years. It's not in this good condition, but you can imagine 40 horsepower, Continental engine, all manual, rear hydraulics, positive ground tractor. I used to have this around in the bush, basically indestructible, but as you can see, somebody restored this one. It has weights on it, standard Oliver weights. Oliver used to make these tractors for Cockshutt, for sale in the north and here in Canada. So it's a gas engine, Continental, positive ground, very simple, bypass oil, liquid liquid wet air filter, basically oil level in there. You got a strainer up to the top, and can't see it, Continental. Yeah, it says Continental on there. Yeah, but we used to have it for 7 years. Something like this. That was red. Yeah, this is a 40 horsepower tractor, so it's all in the gearing. How much power comes out the rear end. And it was pretty nimble for a bush tractor too.